In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to a Google form using Google Docs. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Google Docs or Google Forms, you'll be able to follow along easily. The main idea is that we'll take questions you already have written in a document, bring them into Google Docs, and then use an add-on or built-in tools to turn those questions into a fully working Google form. First, make sure your questions are ready in a digital document. If they're currently in a Word file on your computer, open that file and check the formatting. It really helps if each question is on its own line, with clear numbering or spacing. For multiple choice questions, list each answer option on a separate line directly under the question. This structure will make the conversion process much more accurate later on. Next, open Google Drive in your browser and upload your Word document if it's not already there. Once it's in Drive, right-click on the file and open it with Google Docs. This will convert your Word document into a Google Docs file. Take a moment to review the text, because sometimes spacing or line breaks can change slightly during conversion. Clean up any issues now so that the add-on or tools you use later can correctly recognize where each question and answer starts and ends. Now that your questions are neatly formatted in Google Docs, you're ready to turn them into a form. Open the Extensions menu at the top of the Google Docs window and look for options that allow you to create a form from a document. If you're using an add-on, you may need to install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace first. When you run the tool, it will scan your document, identify the questions, and create a new Google form based on what it finds. After the form is generated, switch over to Google Forms and open it. Carefully go through each question and answer choice. Check that question types are correct, such as multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes, and adjust them if needed. Finally, customize your form settings, such as collecting email addresses, limiting responses, or changing the theme and colors. When everything looks good, your Word document has successfully become a Google form, ready to share with your respondents.